श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि। प्रणामं लक्ष्मणमुनिप्रतिगृह्णातु मामकदं प्रसादयति यत्सूक्तिः स्वाधीनपतिकां श्रुतिम्. So we are enjoying the Bhagavad Kalyana Gunams, Jnana Bala Aishwarya Virya Sakti Tejas, the 6 principal attributes of Perumal, the main 6 Kalyana Gunams which constitute the definition of Bhagavan, followed by we enjoyed Sausilya, Vatsalya, Mardava, Arjava, Sauharda, Samya, Karunya, Madhurya, Gambhirya, Audharya, Chaturya. So we enjoyed so far up to Chaturyam, which means skillful, which means a capacity to generate Mahavishwasam in the minds of his devotees. Next is Stairyam. Stairyam. Stairyam comes from the word Sthiram, being steadfast. Steadfast character of Perumal to save his devotees at any cost, in spite of their faults, in spite of their defects, being brought to his attention by others. So if somebody comes and tells Sriyapati Sriman Narayanan that so and so, your devotee, has done this, he is of this bad character, he is of this much dosham, he is so defective, he is so horrible, he is such a sinner, he would not still let that person down, in spite of the character, in spite of the faults. So the classic example of this character, of this trait of Perumal, is the determination of Sri Ramachandra Murthy. There is a slokam in Vibhishana Sharanagati time, Sri Chakravarti Tirumahan, when Vibhishana performs Sharanagati, Mitra Bhavena Sampraptam Natyajeyam Katanchana Dosho Yadyapi Tasya Syat Satamedadakarhitam Satam Yedadakarhitam. So here Mitra Bhavena Sampraptam Natyajeyam Katanchana. Sri Vibhishana Alvan, about Vibhishana Alvan, when he performed Sharanagati, all the people who were sitting with Sri Rama, Sugrivan, Angadan, Jambavan, all of them, invariably, they all said, he is the younger brother of Vibhishana. There would be lot of problems, consequences, bad consequences if we accept him. And this is not the time. Why should he come so late? When the war is about to begin, he comes and surrenders. This is not the way. And we should not accept him. He may come and backstab us. He is the younger brother of Ravana, so he may be just behaving in the same way, and we should not. So Sugrivan is supposed to be so close, and Rama simply loved him. Sugriva was supposed to be like his own brother, and even he had a liking for Sugriva much more than Sita Pirati. Angadan also is close to Sri Rama. So when so many of the close ones who are with Rama, whom Rama have been moving along so far, Vibhishana just came and he has performed Sharanagati. He is in the mid-sky waiting for the decision. When such is the case, when they all protested and said, no way we should accept, Rama said, Mitra Bhavena Sampraptam Natyajeyam Katanchana. If somebody comes with a friendly attitude, for protection with a sincere and friendly attitude, I will not give up under any circumstance. I would protect the person regardless of his dosham, regardless of his background, regardless of his circumstances. Whoever it is, he was firm and steadfast in his decision. And he said, and Sugriva immediately said, okay, Sugriva was hurt. He was angered by the way Rama said he would not let Vibhishana down. So Sugriva said, okay, if you do not want to listen to us, and if you ignore us, if you reject our protest, our pleas, our prayers, our requests, then if you are accepting Vibhishana, then why should we stay? We all would go back to Kishkinda with all our army, monkeys. And Chakravarti Trimagan said, fine, Sugriva Maharaja, you are free to go to Kishkinda if you wish to. I can manage just with Vibhishana and get everything done. And Sugriva, you can go. He accepted Sugriva to go to Kishkinda. So when Sugriva Maharaja came to know and understood the gravity of the situation and the power of Sri Ramachandra Murti's steadfastness and his firm character, that he would not let a person down if he comes to protect, if he comes to seek Rama's protection. And Sugriva understood Sri Ramachandra's valor as well as his character, as well as his being firm in not letting the Ashritar down. The person who has come with a friendly attitude, he would never let him down, and he would protect. He would go to any extent to protect. Even if it is from a close to one, he would say, forget it, I am not listening to you, I will take care. Even when Sita protested while Rama vowed, and he told these rishis that I would save you from the Rakshasas. Sita Pirati later tells Ramachandra Murti that you should not have assured them to, and you should not have said I would kill Asuras and Rakshasas who have been torturing these rishis. We are here just for 14 years and we would go back. We have nothing to do with the Rakshasas and Asuras. Why should we hurt them? And let's just mean our business and move on. Sri Ramachandra Murti said, I would even let you go, but not let my word be not kept. I would keep my word which I have given to rishis. So this is the way Sthiraha, even in Sahasranamam, Sthira is the Namam which means Sthiryam, Sthiram, steadfast, Amrityuk Sarvadrik Simmaha, Nrisimha Avataram. Parasara Bhattar says Sthira refers to Sri Nrisimha. Parasara Bhattar mentions Swami Nammalvar in Thiruvattatru Emperuman Vishayam, he enjoys the word Sthiryam. Thiruvattatru Emperuman Sri Lakshmi Nrisimhan, he enters into Adiyen's mind. Nilai Peran en Nenjat Eppozhudum. He has accepted me and he would not go back from my heart forever. And Swami Desikan mentions Mitra Bhavena Sampraptam Natyajayam Katanchana is the Sri Ramayana slokam, and all Sri Periyavachan Pillai, Sutta Prakashikacharya and Vedanta Desikan take these Mitra Bhavena Sampraptam Natyajayam Katanchana, I would not let them down. That word Natyajayam Katanchana is taken up by these three great acharyas, and they have enjoyed the Kalyana Gunam of Sthiryam with these words. Sutta Prakashikacharya says, Tyajayam, Sthiryam, Natyajayam Katanchana, Ityabhisandimatvam. Tyajayam, Natyajayam Katanchana, Ityabhisandimatvam. Sri Sutta Prakashikacharya mentions. Periyavachan Pillai says, Pratyuga Satairapi Ashrita Rakshana Pratignya Bhangam Nakaroti Natyajayam Katanchana iti. So they mention that I would not let them down. I would never let them down. That is Sthiryam. I would Save my devotees at any cost in spite of their faults being brought to my attention by others, and in spite of the arguments advanced against them, I would not let them down. So these are essentially the same meanings given by Periyavachan Pillai and Shataprakasikacharya. நூற்றுக்கணக்கான இடையூறுகள் ஏற்பட்டாலும் ஆஸ்ரிதர்களை காப்பதாக கொண்ட பிரதிஜையை கைவிடாதிருத்தல் ஸ்தைரியம். Even if there are hundreds of hurdles, challenges that come in the way of protecting the Ashritas, he would not let his word go down the drain. He would not let them down. Shataprakasikacharya says, ஆஸ்ரிதர்களை ஒரு காலும் கைவிடேன் என்ற உள்ளத்தின் உறுதிப்பாடே ஸ்தைரியம். Being firm that he would not let the Ashritas down is sthairya. So this is essentially the same meaning, whereas Swami Desikan goes a bit further. He says, Sharanagata Sangrahe Dosha Pradarshakaihi Antarangairapya Kampaniyatvam Tatachaha Mitra Bhavena Sampraptam Natyajeya Katanchana Ityadi. Here Swami Desikan mentions Antarangar. So even in our day-to-day life, we give a word that I will take care of you. Don't worry. Whoever comes, come what may, I will handle this. I will take care of you. But once we come home, our wife, our mother, our brother, our sister, who are close ones, they would start brainwashing us. They would say, you should not have given a word. You should have thought about all these consequences. Just like that, as always, you give a loose talk and you are given a word. Now you have put yourself in trouble. You somehow come out of it. You tell him that I thought about it. This is the way you can come out. This is the way I can help. This is the way you would get into trouble, and somehow withdraw yourself from that. So we would also, like a stupid fool, would listen to them and go back from our word and put ourselves in such an embarrassing position and say, sorry da, I think I will not be able to help you. So if it is antarangar, if it is close ones, dear ones, whom we have been living with them for so long, so close, they all, if they advise, we would change our stand. But Swami Desikan says, whoever it is, he would even let Sugriva Maharaj go back. He told even Sita Pirati for protecting the Maharishis and sages. When they showed their wounds, he said, I have given them a word, and it is my responsibility to protect them. So that is sthiram. Swami mentions here that this truth is brought out in the very significant statement, Natyajeyam Katanchana. Mitra Bhavena Sampraptam Natyajeyam Katanchana. Dosho yadyapi tasya syat satam yedadagarhitam. What a wonderful statement, what a great karunyam. These Shaushilyam, Vatsalyam, Ardavam, Arjavam, Sauhardam, Samyam, Karunyam, Madhuryam, Gambhiryam, Audharyam, Chaturyam, Stairyam. These 12 gunas are required to protect the bhaktas, says Shataprakasikacharya. So Mitra Bhavena Sampraptam Natyajeyam Katanchana is the wonderful slokam, wonderful line, which we should always contemplate, that he would go to any extent to take care of us if we approach him with a friendly, sincere attitude. Adiyan Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha. Dhanyosmi.